recently I have changed this logo for my YouTube channel. Okay, so I have nothing. I have done changes in this logo. Same, I have taken from the website and just upload it, and it will be adjusted in my profile, YouTube profile. So nothing I have done. Nothing I have done changes in my photo, yeah, photo editing, yeah, anything else. Only this logo download and upload it. So I will show you how to change it. So let's this is my logo, so I want to change this logo. Okay, so how to change this? First, open the website, go to the Google, down type free SVG. This is the website, free SVG. Click enter. Here the website is coming, free SVG image file transmission. This all file are transparent file, PNG file. So click on this website on open. Okay, here is a list of the logo and all images are showing in this. So I want to open this popular tag logo. Click on the logo. Okay, so here is a list of the logo is coming here. Okay, so just select anyone. If it is not suitable for you, so click on the next. Check another logo. Okay, and just check. Okay, like this logo. Okay, so this logo you want to add in your YouTube profile, so you just below and download large PNG. Okay, click here. It will download it in download folder Paisa. Okay, so open it. So yeah, it's showing here. So just close it and go to your channel. Click on here. Then click here for logo. Click on this button, edit. Okay, just up select the file. So I have downloaded in the download folder. I have selected download folder here. So file name is paisa.png. Select this file and open. Is coming here. Just click on done. Yeah, it's changed. So it's showing only simple way. So all the area is blank. So it's not fully capture all this view. Okay, so I want to go for another logo. Download another logo. Okay, so I will show you this logo. Okay, this logo I have downloaded from this website. Okay, so I want to add this logo I have downloaded from this side. Okay, so this logo I want to add in on my profile. So same thing, you need to click here, upload photo, and go to the download folder and select the file name. File name is there. Click on open. Now it's coming. So just click done. Now the full is taken a full capture the all this area. Okay, so you just close it, go to the your channel again. So YouTube channel. So here is my logo has changed here. Okay, so it will be updated on your all video within a 2 hour or 1 hour. So this is my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.